Hi guys, welcome to Ashika Tech World. This is Deepika Reddy. So again, we are back with another session. Which so many students are dreaming of doing their higher studies in abroad, right? Like foreign countries. So today we have Harshita with us. She is actually residing in Germany. So she will tell us about the procedure of how to go in, like how to get into Germany, and what is the procedure to for boarding and all. Everything she will explain, and about that education system, and why she went over there, and what is the difference between the education system, either it may be or in the company, when compared to India as well as in Germany. So let us invite Harshita. Thank you. Hello
Hello.
Harshita.
Yeah, hi Deepu.
Yeah, hi Harshita, welcome to Ashika Tech World. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm totally fine. So how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Harshita. Thank you, and thank you so much, first of all, for accepting this interview.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's no problem.
actually, it will be very useful for the students, and many people are asking for us, like, do you have any guidance to like for visiting foreign countries for further education system, like for education,
Hmm.
or it might be for doing job. So, and thank you so
Yeah,
much for accepting this
maybe
one.
yeah, maybe this information might be help for them.
Yes, I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Harshita. First of all, like, what is the time over there?
Yeah, it's around 10:40 in the morning.
Okay, so we had our lunch also, so you didn't even had your breakfast.
No, no. Just I fresh up.
Okay, so actually it is probably 3.5 hour difference, right?
Yeah, in the summer semester, it will the difference is around 300. I mean, three and a half hours. But coming to the in the winter semesters, it takes around 4.5 hours. The time difference.
Okay,
Yeah, it will vary from summer or winter.
okay. How are you
Yeah.
enjoying your life over there?
Actually, no enjoyment. Oh, because only coming to the first two semester we'll enjoy everything, but after that we have to do an internship, so there is
Okay,
no time at all.
okay, so
Because from morning to, it's like a job. Internship is
okay,
equal to it's like a job. From morning 7:30 to 5, I'm working here, and after that I'm going to the part time.
okay.
So it's yeah,
You are
I
completely
have no
packed up.
time. Yes.
Okay, what about the pandemic situation over there, Harshita?
Right now, it's completely all right because the German people will maintain the rules and regulations perfectly.
Okay,
Even if you go to the supermarket or any stores, they'll keep the mask and maintain the social distance, everything. So
okay.
maybe, yeah, not so much difficult here
So
than
if
India compared to India.
yeah, so everyone are working from home itself, or like they are going to offices and working normally?
uh, uh, it depends on the department because coming to the management department you can also work from home, but coming to the technical side or the production line you can go to the company.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there is no lockdown, something like that in Germany as of now.
Lockdown means here the supermarket will open and everything will open just like the clothing stores and the hotels and the restaurants, only these kind of shops only will be closed. Other than
Okay,
that, everything is open here.
okay. So they have just closed the most crowdy places over there.
Yeah, like hotels, restaurants, and the universities. Yeah,
Okay,
it's like crowded places.
okay. So is it like does it become difficult for you at the starting stage to adapt these timings and the environmental situations?
Uh, Firstly, when I came to Germany, uh, my mind is completely blank. I don't even know that where I have to go for the city registration. Before coming to Germany, you must we must learn something about the country and the people surrounding you, and also what is the procedure after arriving in Germany. First of all, we have to know, but I don't know anything at all
Okay,
before coming here. So after coming to Germany, you have to there is a lot of procedures. City registration, you have to create a bank account, TK insurance. I don't even know anything at all. I just follow up my friends and I will learn all the things.
Okay.
It's completely 6 months I have to for all this adjustment here. 6 months.
Okay. Then what about the food and all?
um Actually, German food we cannot eat because here the yeah, we cannot even eat because they eat more pig.
Okay.
Yeah, pig and beef they
Yeah,
will eat,
yeah.
and we cannot even smell that. We cannot
Okay.
possible to smell that. And the famous one he's here, it's a bread like
Okay.
300 yeah 300 types of breads available here. It's
Okay.
really tastes very good.
Okay. So
Yeah,
normally in India, when compared to like middle class families and all means, we will consider it as a somewhat like a side dish when we are having some medical issues, right? We don't get
yes.
habituated to that.
But here we but here German people will eat morning, night, afternoon the breads, completely breads and salads. They
Okay.
don't even eat rice and chapatis like this.
Okay. So is it difficult for you to adapt to that food culture and all?
Actually, I like to eat breads. I like to eat. I tasted so many types of breads here. I
Okay.
really like, but some breads are like smoothie one, and some breads are very hard to taste. So
Okay.
it's a good experiences to me.
Okay. So what about the friend circle you are having? There.
Coming to my course, actually from the 2 semesters we are in the universities, but now everyone is around like their internships because everyone uh, choose their own city where they got the internship. So
Okay.
my friends is from other city, so here maybe my juniors will there here in the dormitories itself.
Okay.
Yeah, you can also have a lot of friends, but they also have the different mindsets, different behavior. But someone will choose the independent nature, and someone will choose the privacy, someone will choose the friendly nature. We don't know which people we are going to meet them. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Harshi. So,
For the girls, it's very difficult to choose the friend, but for
oh,
the coming to the boys side, it's easy to mingle with the Indian people.
okay. So,
Yeah.
why it is hard for girls? May I know the reason?
Yeah, of course. Because in my class, 100 people boys and only 3 people are girls.
Oh.
You know the rate. You'll get the rate. It's very complicated to enter into the class because
Okay.
100 peoples are boys, only
Yeah.
3 are girls. So they are looking like this because Indian people are never never change. Yeah, of course.
So you are quite enjoying also.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Okay. Okay, Harshi, can you tell me like what is the and main first I would like to know what is the motivation behind you to go for abroad and to study over there? Actually, I never
Because
expected that you will go to abroad and you will continue your study
yes,
over there.
as after completing my bachelor's, my parents forced to marry some
Okay.
guy.
Okay.
So yeah, I came to here because I don't like to marriage these situations. So I need to gain the better knowledge and the better position. So I told my parents going with the husband to Germany is different from going myself.
Yes, exactly.
So yeah, I told my parents like this, so they'll agreed, and everything is started my procedure here. Yeah, only that's the reason I came here. I don't like to study masters and nothing.
Okay.
Yeah,
Simply to
that's the
escape the
only reason.
marriage.
Yeah. To escape my marriage, that's it. but after
Okay.
but after joining my masters, that's the main inspiration. My course is
Okay.
the main inspirations to me. No, I have to get a job here after finish my masters here. So I'm very confident now.
Okay, that's very good. And Hashita, can you tell me like what is the procedure of getting into Germany and how much time it will take? A little bit about
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
yeah. First of all, before starting this position, you need to get all the certificates like
Okay.
IELTS score. For the my case, German language is also the requirement for choosing the universities, and
Okay.
also all the bachelor certificates and internship certificates. So you need to get ready with all these documents, and after that you I have chosen one consultancy from the from the Hyderabad branch.
Okay.
So after they will ask our bachelor, our requirements, and how much percentage you got, how much IELTS band you got, what are the internship you have done before. So based on this they will give a couple of or a multiple of universities.
Okay.
So you can choose based on your interest on which course you are going to interest in that, and also the universities. And in the Germany there are two types of colleges. One is the public colleges and one is the private colleges. Public colleges is like the government colleges, there is no fees at all.
Okay.
Yeah, you can study freely with
Oh.
only the little amount like 200 euros, like 30,000, 35,000. It's
Okay.
a little amount here. And for the coming to the private one, it takes like around 8 lakhs, 5 lakhs per semester. So it's very difficult to afford that much amount for the students.
Okay.
So after giving all the universities in the consultancy, so they will charge like 10,000 for
Okay.
8 applications.
Okay.
And after that, after applying all the colleges, only they will guide you like these colleges will have these requirements. If you like it, I will apply. So after they apply, after 3 months we'll get the universities like confirmation, so whether it is a rejection or acceptance.
Excellent. Okay.
Yeah, in my case I got one conditional letter from after 2 months.
Okay.
Conditional letter means they are asking like German language certificate,
Okay.
A1 first level certificate. But at that time I don't have the language certificate. I just learned the course, but didn't write the exam. And one more
Okay.
thing is they only accept the certificate from one institute. That's like a
Oh.
Goethe Zentrum.
Okay.
Goethe
Where are
Zentrum
they
is
speaking?
uh, it's like so many branches. You have the Chennai,
Okay.
Hyderabad, Bangalore. You have all the branches there, and they accept only that institute. But I did not have the certificate at the time, so I I rejected that admission. And after 1 month, I got another admission letter from the Innsbruck Hochschule University. The
Okay.
course is scientific instrumentation.
Okay.
uh, and after, okay, I started the visa process. And tomorrow is my visa. I got another admission letter.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, it's the course is micro and nanotechnologies, but so many guided me that the course is very difficult to complete the masters there. So I choose the scientific instrumentation.
Okay.
So after visa process, in the visa interview also, we have to submit the bank documents. In that bank statement you need to show proof of 10,000 euros.
Okay.
10,000 euros is for only 1 year.
Acha.
you may,
Okay.
yeah, it's like a cost around 8 to 10 lakhs.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll count as like this amount is only for 1 year.
Okay.
Every month they will provide you 800 euros per month. So
Oh.
so based on that calculations they'll charge like 10,000 euros per year. So you need to show the bank statement and also the admission acceptance letters, and also the proof of the application of the visa process. So you have to show all these documents in the visa interview. And they'll ask some simple questions like why you choose only Germany. So after you went there, how you survive with this
Okay.
money. So yeah, that's a simple questions, not that much difficult compared to the America. Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
it's went like very simple questions. And after completing the visa process, and one more thing I forgot to tell you, that before after coming the acceptance letter from the university, you need to search for the room in Germany, because it's very
Okay.
difficult to search the room in Germany.
Oh,
In
okay.
my case, actually, I got the room when I get the university. I got the room confirmation from Germany, but
Okay.
I did not accept that because I'm waiting for another university also. I did not
Okay.
confirm that I have to join only here. So I just make like it's a whole place, but I did not accept the confirmation for the room. So finally, I did not get the room when I was Arrived
Oh
here,
my God.
I did not have the room. I
Okay.
was yeah, it's very difficult for the girls,
Okay.
because
Yeah.
boys can stay in their friends'
Yeah.
rooms, or but girls it's very difficult. Yeah, I stayed in one of my senior room.
Okay.
Yeah, she helped me a lot
Okay.
actually. She's also my senior. Her name is Sneha,
Okay.
and yeah, he helped me a lot. And you have to must and should you have to search for the room in Germany after the immediate acceptance letters from your universities. And yeah, that's a procedure for the entire the admission process and the visa process and all these things. After the visa interview, it takes 1 month to get the visa in
Okay.
your hand. Yeah, it takes 1 month, and after that you can book your flight ticket.
Okay. So
Yes,
probably it will take around 4 to 6 months to complete the entire process.
in my situation it takes 1 year, because
1 year. Okay.
before yeah 1 year, because firstly I joined the IELTS coaching and it takes 1 month, and after that I had written the IELTS exam, and after that I had joined in the language course.
Okay.
So yeah, because in these there are 2 semesters here, for the winter semesters and the summer semester. They'll
Okay.
only release the universities for the winter and the summer semesters. So
Okay.
if you're missing the winter semester, you have to wait for
Okay.
the next summer semester. Yeah,
Okay.
so it takes completely 1 year.
Okay. So to complete the entire process, it will
Entire
take one
process it
year.
takes, yeah, it takes 1 year.
Okay. So where you have taken coaching for this IELTS process?
IELTS coaching, Texas, in the
Texas.
Hyderabad.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is it
Texas
easy or
Institute.
difficult? How you felt about it?
Actually, in the institute, they only explain the tips and rules and regulations of the exams.
Okay.
Other than that, we have to prepare. We have to practice.
Okay. So why
If you have, mm,
why actually they are like considering this IELTS course for entering into Germany? Is this only for communication skills?
because here no one will speak English.
Okay. Then
It's a very little amount of people will speak English.
okay.
Mostly they'll prefer the German language,
Okay.
just for the because my course is in English, so
Okay.
they are seeing that she or he can speak English or not, just the
Okay.
language proof. Yeah, and only the IELTS is enough. Nothing TOEFL or nothing is not enough. Only IELTS it takes like a 6.5 band or 7 band is enough.
Is enough. Okay.
Yeah,
So how much does it cost? For 1 month, you have said like you have taken coaching for 1 month, right?
yeah, it costs like 6,000.
6,000.
Yeah,
Okay.
6,000.
And for German language,
German language you have to learn in Goethe syndrome. It's the best
okay.
option
Okay.
in my experience. But because I did not went to Goethe syndrome, I had learned from the private institute, but it sounds like it's not so much good, because learning in the private institutes is full of different
Okay.
while speaking here with the German people. It's completely different.
So now
Yeah.
you are like very acquainted with German language also?
not that much, but I can understand the basic thing. But
Okay.
I did not know, I did not understand in the coming to the technical side, because
Okay.
German language it's a bit difficult,
Okay.
a bit difficult to learn. And the city by city, the language will variate. The
Mm,
slang will
yeah,
variate.
exactly.
The
As
slang will
like in
variate.
India, there also slang will differ, right? From city,
Yeah,
their accent will
yes. For the
differs.
Telangana people and Andhra people, the
Yes.
language is different. So same like here, the city by city, the language will vary it. So in Gote Centrum, it cost around 21,000 per
Okay. 1000.
A1 course, and A 1.1, A 1.2, next A2, A 2.1, A 2.2. So it goes around like C language. Language
Okay.
C, yeah,
So what
very
is the
complicated.
duration?
Uh, you mean like the language?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, language it maybe 3 months
You have taken
per
3 months,
course.
right?
Yeah, 3 months. Yeah,
Okay. So you have received your certificate also?
I have received certificate privately, but it's not it's not acceptable here, because they
Okay.
only accept the Gote Centrum certificate.
Okay.
Yeah,
So in which university you are studying now?
Ernst Aber Hochschule Jena. Jena is the city name, but you it's very difficult to
Yeah, actually it's
remember that.
difficult to pronounce also.
Yes. Because in the first, the Ena place we call like Gina. Because
Okay.
in India we call like Jena, but
Yeah.
here they'll call like Ena.
Okay. So they are following phonetics.
Yes, yeah. Because
Okay.
in German they'll call like a Gina Ena.
Okay.
So yeah, EAH Ena.
Okay. At first you might have,
Currently, I'm
yeah, at first you might have faced there some funny things also, right? Like we are
yeah,
pronouncing.
yeah, actually, yes, Germans will maintain rules and regulations perfectly and maintain their punctual timings, everything. Yeah, before that, before coming to here, you have to learn, you have to study how German people will maintain, how German people will survive there. Because in Germany, for the bicycle way, there is a separate route in the road,
Wow.
separate
That's
path
nice.
in the road. So
Okay.
at first I'm walking in the bicycle path.
Okay.
I don't know that's a bicycle path or not, but that's a
Okay.
bicycle path. And the backward, the mine is ringing like a bell. This is
Okay.
Farad way. It's like a bicycle way. So please
Okay.
move on aside. Yeah. So there's a lot of funny things I experienced here.
Okay. But yeah, everything might have given you some experience, right? Which will help.
Yes. Yeah, exactly. Everything I take it as a lesson.
Yes, very good.
Yeah, next time I won't repeat this again. Just I take it as a lesson. Okay, this is a nice experience to me. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so what is the major you are doing over there, Harshita? Subject, major subject?
It says like my course is scientific instrumentation. Actually, in the
Okay.
first semester, actually I came from electrical background. So in the first semester, the main subjects are physics. It's
Okay.
completely physics, depth
Okay.
physics.
Okay.
Yeah, depth physics. And in the second, it's a physical material diagnosis, solid state physics, and all this. And the designing and all this. In the second semester, we can choose the modules. We
Okay.
have 8 modules. In that, we have to choose 4 modules.
Okay.
We had to choose 4 modules. In that, I had choose micro nano and optics. Optics is very famous in Germany, in
Okay.
ENA,
Okay.
and in Germany too. Optics and sensors and one more thing is gas sensing and aerosol measurements. I had choose for these subjects because
Okay.
according to my electrical background, so these subjects are give advantage in the future side. So I choose only these subjects. But coming to the mechanical one, they also have the precision engineering, designing, simulations. Depends on the person, they can choose their own modules.
Okay.
So in the third semester, we want to do the mandatory internship.
Okay.
So it's 6 months after completing your internship, you have to choose, you have to do thesis in the same company or the different companies or anything. You have to do all this. So after that, you will finish your masters.
Okay, fine. So will it be a paid internship?
Yeah, paid internship.
Okay.
Here there is paid internships and unpaid internships. It's a two type of internships here.
Okay.
And also doing in internships in company, it's different from doing internships in the research institutes,
Okay.
because so many my friends are doing it in research institutes and also in company, but I'm doing in the company. It's a Carl Zeiss Medtech KG. It's a Carl Zeiss means it's a scientist name,
Okay.
scientist who born here in ENA,
Okay.
and he invented the microscopes first here. And yeah, Carl Zeiss is for the manufacturing of the optics production line,
Okay.
optics microscopes, and every medical equipments here for the lenses.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
are working on production department now, basically.
no, not protection not production. I'm doing the quality management
Quality
department,
management.
member of the quality management. Yeah.
Okay. So you are you have like you are studying over there also, and you have experienced the studies in India also. What is the difference you have observed over?
Yeah. Coming Studying in India is totally different studying masters here,
Okay.
because yeah, I don't even spend independently in India.
Okay.
You have So coming to here, I have to experiences everything here. Yeah, you have to cook yourself, um, you have to go outside and go buy everything yourself. So I yeah I faced a lot of experiences here.
Okay.
And also one thing, no German people will do masters here. Why? Because uh, Indian people will do masters only here.
Okay.
Because and also Indian people doing masters is equal to the German people doing bachelors
That,
here.
oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
because they have that much experiences.
Okay. So
but
you
but
mean to say
doing,
like quality of education?
yeah, quality of education, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah, the comparison is like this ratio.
Okay.
Doing masters in Germany is equal to the doing bachelors in German people here. Yeah, it's
Okay.
a big. And also the German people will not choose the that much complicated courses here.
Okay.
They choose, yeah, like Indian people choose like complicated courses like natural sciences, like instrumentations, like physics, mathematics. Only Indian people will choose like this, and the
Okay.
German people will not choose like this. They'll choose like dentistry and social affairs, um, like nursing, yeah,
Okay.
pharmacy. They'll choose like a simple subjects.
Okay.
Only, yeah, Indians can face. Yeah, the Germans people reaction like what you're studying means, I say like scientific instrumentations, it's completely mathematics, physics, and their reaction is, oh, it's very complicated, it's very difficult. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So they are smart working people. Instead, the
Yeah,
we Indians are actually do
yeah,
more
they
hard work.
choose the simple
Yes.
subjects. Yeah.
Okay. So they don't want that much complicated like complications in their life. They want to run their
Yes.
life smoothly.
Yes, and also come going to other countries will give a such an experiences.
Okay.
Yeah, before coming to here, I'm like I'm the dependent person. I'm the
Exactly.
dependent person. Yeah, I'm the dependent person. I cannot survive even one day here.
Okay.
After coming here, I cannot survive here without the people. With
Okay.
Because I have to live alone here,
Okay.
do myself cooking, do myself everything here. You have to you have your emotions yourself. You
Okay.
cannot even express your feelings with your parents also.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
I faced a lot of issues here.
okay. So by
But now
starting,
I'm very independent.
yeah,
I'm very independent. Yeah.
Yeah, that I can even say by your tone of voice itself.
Yes.
You seem
Yeah.
very confident
Yeah.
also.
Yes. Because it takes 1 year here.
Yeah.
Yeah. I had
We
faced a
have
lot
learned
of issues.
most of the things in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of the
Yes.
time. See, the year like 24 years of India is equal to 1 year of you in Germany. The
Yeah.
experiences you have learned over there, right?
Yeah. I
Basically.
had learned so many things here.
Okay. And
Yeah.
didn't you came back to India at least once in this span of time?
No.
Okay.
Because I don't even like to come India, even I had because I have to finish something here.
Okay.
So by getting to India back, so I had to tell my parents, okay, I will done this much of part in Germany.
Okay.
So yeah, before that I won't come. Maybe most probably I'll come by next. I mean this December. So that time I'll
Okay.
finish my master thesis also. So I'll finish my degree most
Okay.
probably.
Then you
Yeah.
are planning to come.
Yes.
Don't you miss your parents?
Yeah, I miss my parents, of course, because it takes 1.5 year.
Yeah, that's
But yeah, because my parents will love very much, and they don't even leave a single day with me.
okay.
But every day I'll call my parents and speak, even twice, thrice, even. Yeah, is it
Okay.
enough now? Yeah,
Now you
because
become
I'll get more
habituated.
emotion. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay, Hashi.
Yes.
So it seems like you are quite enjoying over there and you have learned many of the things over there, right?
Yeah, yes.
And may I ask, like, why you have preferred only Germany for higher studies? Why can't other countries?
Because other countries means you have to assure that 40 lakhs for the Canada or US or Australia.
Okay.
It takes a lot of. But in coming to the Germany, you can study freely. Only you
Okay.
can afford for the monthly expenses. That's it. It's
Okay.
8 lakhs or 9 lakhs is not a bit amount compared to other countries, because compared to other countries, you know, not it's very difficult to afford 40 lakhs and 30 lakhs for the people who were middle class people.
Yes, yes, yes.
So other, but and also so many people will reject Germany means the problem is language.
Okay.
Without language you cannot survive even 1 day here,
Okay.
because you have to do part time here. You have to learn language, you have to know language, and you have to go to the supermarket, and in the billing counter you have to conversate in the German.
Yeah. Okay. So
Yeah, so without that you cannot even survive here.
so now you are like conversing with them in German language only.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
But coming to the technical side, it's a bit difficult because we don't know the synonyms exactly.
Yeah.
Because yeah,
So how
it
much can
take
you rate yourself upon a scale of 1 to 10 for your German language?
it's like 5.
It's like 5. Okay, very good.
Yeah,
So in 1 year it is
yeah.
in the 1 year then maybe it will goes to 8.
From this point you have to learn more, because the
Okay.
conversing in the basical is completely different to conversation in the technical side. There
Okay.
is a lot of words here.
Okay. As
So
is
and a lot of words, it's very difficult to pronounce the words here.
okay.
That's a main reason, that's a main problem. Yeah, and also okay, we know the English language, and we know the words also in German, and we cannot translate like this. We cannot compare to translate from English to German.
Yeah.
It's completely wrong here.
Okay.
So that's the main difference. But I'm learning German with my company members, with my manager. He's like very, 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 very important person in my life.
Okay.
Yeah, he's very it's an important person, because he will explain everything to me in English, and it's
Okay.
also German. So in German you can speak like this. He will explain everything me.
Is he a
Yeah.
Telugu person or like from India or from German?
No, 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 no. In my company, no Indian persons are there. I'm the only one, I think so.
Oh my god.
All are from
Okay.
German, all are of German.
Okay.
And they did not know the English much also. They'll speak
Okay.
little bit.
Okay.
So with that English, they were explaining me everything work. every day tasks, and they were explaining with a little bit English language.
That's quite
It's like,
nice, right? They are also
yes,
supporting
yes.
us and they are also like
Yeah,
helping
actually,
us.
yeah, they like me because I'm came from India, so
Yeah.
they like India people.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is it a, like
and
a
they,
positive point?
yeah, yeah. In my head also introducing that he's Harshita. The next word he will tell that she's from India.
Okay.
Yeah, and they like the Indian people, culture, tradition, food, everything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you missing our Indian food then?
Yeah, it's it takes 1.5 years to eat pani puri and
Oh my God.
everything.
Oh,
Yeah,
sorry.
it's very difficult to remember all those things. Yeah, it's very
It's
difficult.
okay. Still, you are on a like a very strong step you have taken in your life, and it will definitely help you in your career prospect, right? It's
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know. I don't even cook. I don't even know how to switch on the gas stove also before I came here. I don't
Okay.
even know. But now I will do anything.
So you have done masters in cooking also over there in
Yeah,
span of
yeah.
1 year.
Of course, I'll do sweets, biryani, everything. Everything I'll do.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
quite nice, right? You are like multi.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's the main
and
benefits come here. Yeah.
okay, and Harshita, as you said, like you are doing internship as well. Also, you are doing some part-time job.
Yes.
So how are you?
Actually,
Yeah.
coming in the month of September, my visa is expiring.
Okay.
So to continue the visa extension process, I need to show 3,500 euros in my the bank statement. In
Okay.
my bank statement, I need to show.
Oh,
So
it's
you,
1 second.
yeah,
So
it's mandatory.
yeah, it's mandatory. Okay, is it from your own earnings you have to show, or like you can just make your parents transfer the amount to your bank?
Yeah, you can ask your parents, and also it's is it also available, but
Okay,
I don't even ask my parents.
that's very
So
good.
I'm serving myself. I don't even ask a single money from my parents, and I'm giving my money to my parents.
Your parents will be really very proud of you, Harshit. Actually, we are also proud of you. You
Yeah,
became such a
yeah,
self-independent girl.
from last birthday, I gifted one bike to my dad and a laptop to my brother, phone to my brother, and everything. Yeah.
Okay, that's very,
So
very nice, Harshita.
yeah, no, a bit difficult to earn that much amount coming to the my visa process, but
Okay.
we'll see what happened.
So
Maybe
what you are doing for a part-time job?
I'm doing in the cave shape, like a bakery shape, bread
Okay.
bakery,
Okay.
bread shape, and I'll do the kitchen helper there.
Okay, that's so nice,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay, see,
kitchen helper.
actually, most of the people will prefer doing like studying as well as earning, right? They will
Yes,
do
yes,
both simultaneously in foreign countries.
yes. Actually, because monthly cost around here 450 euros.
For 50.
My room rent is 212 euros and 110 for insurance every
Okay.
month. You use the TK insurance or not? They will. It's mandatory to pay every month 110 euros here.
Okay.
And yeah, 17 euros for radio bill and 20 euros for internet bill
Oh my God.
and 100 euros for your monthly food expenses. So
Okay.
it will cost around 450 to 500 euros.
For just for
So
1 month.
1 month for one
And I
month
think
without
1 euro
doing,
is equals to 90 rupees something, right? In our
yeah,
Indian currency,
89 will 90, it
89
will
rupees.
vary day by day. Yeah.
Okay. So you are spending 450.
Yeah.
Every month you need to
450.
earn 450 euros.
Yeah, of course. If you're every person will cost around like 400 to 500 euros.
Okay. It's actually like nearly 40,000.
Yeah, the room cost around 200 euros.
Oh my
So
God.
it's the room cost is very expensive here.
Okay. So
Yeah,
actually,
so
it is a little bit difficult to survive over there without doing any job, right? Only if we
yeah, it's
stuck on
very
our studies.
difficult. it's very difficult to survive without doing part times here. You have to do part times every month. Even you have a job, you have everything. You have to do part times only for the students. I'm telling.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, not for the job seekers. And yeah, after maybe after finishing my masters, also I have to continue my part time because my internship, my thesis will over, so I'll be free for searching in job. So I have to do part time to survive the monthly expenses here.
Okay. So like, what are the timings? You are doing, see, you are doing internship and as well as part-time job,
Uh,
right? Like how
yes,
you have divided your
my
time?
company timings from morning 7:30 to 4:30.
Oh my
And
God.
yeah,
Okay.
4:30, 8 hours, 8.5 hours I'll do that. In that they will cut down the break zero, I mean
Okay.
45 minutes.
Oh my.
So even if you take the break or not, it's mandatory to break the pass break. Yeah.
Okay.
And after I'll go to my part time around 6:30 to 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah, 1.5 hour daily I'm going, daily. Not even Sunday also. I'm not free in Sunday also. Every day, 6:30 to 8:30.
Okay. So
So
see.
every day I'm going for only 1.5 hour. So they'll cost like around 300 euros. For 300
Okay.
euros, I'm going daily. Yeah,
Okay.
because I need to earn money for coming upcoming months.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Actually,
So I need
see,
to
when you
show
are
my
saying
bank
all
account
this,
statement.
yeah, when you are saying all these things, I am quite feeling a bit surprised. I never expected Harshita would be like this. And she will do part-time job as well as she will maintain internship. I actually didn't expected this thing from you, Harshita. Because I have seen you in
Yes,
college also,
Deepu.
right?
Actually,
Hmm.
yeah, I'm very calm. I did not
Yeah.
speak with the other people also. I cannot even speak with you also
Yes,
like
yes.
this
Very
much.
little much of
Yeah,
conversation we
I'm
used to
very calm.
have.
Yeah, yeah, I'm very calm. I'm very dependent person. I don't able to go lonely with
Yes.
other places. I don't know,
I think
but
I see
yeah,
you
it's
doing the
completely
writing
changed, I guess.
also. If I remember.
Yes. No, no. Yeah. 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 In the weekend also, I'll stay in the hostel itself. Okay. I'll see the movie in the laptop. Yeah. That's it. And okay. I'll sleep. I'll eat. And that's the only thing. But here, I completely change a lot, Deepu. Completely.
Yes, yes, I actually can see
My, yeah.
and I can feel it also. See,
Yeah.
you are like ruling Germany over there. You are a free bird with your wings.
Yeah. Yeah, not a free bird, but I faced a lot of issues, lot of problems. I can now go independently. I can survive alone here. Yeah, I learned a
Actually,
lot of things here.
those all the things combined make you very strong and independent, Harshita. If I has to say means.
Yeah, of course, Ipu. Yeah,
Okay. Uh,
but
yeah.
girls will never. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, tell me, you are saying something.
Girls will never come to Germany mostly. I mean, not only Germany, other countries, because some people will fear like, oh, other countries, okay, I cannot even survive independently. They'll speak like that, but facing the issues is more important in the life. You
Yes,
can survive
exactly.
in lonely without independent. Yeah.
Okay. Actually, I
Yeah.
actually inspire you so much from now, Harshita. I'm actually inspired by you. You know what? Usually,
Yes,
I'm seeing
Deepu.
many people, including me also. I don't even bear to like only I will
Okay.
see about my company works. That's it. I don't even think of doing some other works or earning some more money. I don't even think that much wide. Also, I'm actually like bit
Okay.
surprised by
So,
knowing about you. Your
Oh
mentally.
yeah.
Thank you. And see, like in these pandemic, basically it all got struck because of this lockdown and pandemic only. Many people are
Hmm.
asking for job, but we are not able to provide them jobs also. And some people are
Hmm.
asking for guidance, like if you we want to go for this abroad, and we want to continue, or like we need to take any some software languages, or like there are multiple questions students are having.
Yeah, but actually, coming to the Germany, Germany is good for the mechanical students because automotive production is good for mechanical students here. But
Okay.
nowadays, computer science and natural science is also playing a important role here
Okay.
because you will have the so many job opportunities here.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mm. So
after maybe after completing my brother bachelor's, he'll also join here.
So, are you deciding to stay over there itself? You
Yeah.
want to
Yes.
settle over there only?
Yeah. After completing my master thesis, I need to get job here.
Okay, job that everything is fine, but I am saying about
Mhm.
like personally, you are going to settle over there, or you are planning to come back to India?
No, no plans to come back to India. I have to stay here. I'll stay here because after coming to Germany, after 1 month, my mind decided no, I have to stay here only
Okay,
because the environment where we are living and the rules and regulations following by the German people, so we are trying to follow with them, so it's a very good advantage for the people who are staying in Germany. So my
okay,
mindset is currently like I have to stay here after
okay,
completing my masters, after getting my job. No, my parents also liking the same thing,
okay.
so
That's
she's
nice.
have she have to say she have to stay there only. Yeah.
It's actually very nice. Your parents encouraged and supported you, like to follow your dreams. That's very good.
Yes.
Most of the Indian
Yeah.
people don't encourage that, and they will like they will tell
Yeah,
them
my
to sit and
relatives
go.
also didn't encourage me that why the girl you're sending
Exactly.
that much distance, like it's a other country, right? So just okay, then my parents will very supported to me
Yeah, I
while
must say
coming
your
here.
parents are
Yeah.
really like they really did a very good thing by sending you to Germany. You became really a new Harshita. If I
Yeah, it's
have to say,
completely different from staying in India is equal to staying in Germany. Yeah.
exactly. Okay. So Harshita, what would you like to say to the students who are wishing to like go for abroad and to do specifically in Germany? What you would like to
Because
suggest them?
before okay, the people who are like to come to Germany, before that they have to be first independent.
Okay.
They have to face emotions. They have
Okay.
to go alone outside even at any time.
Okay.
You have to cook yourself. You have to everything. You have to do yourself.
Okay.
Don't depend. Don't depend on others.
Okay.
So I only say this because I face a lot of issues regarding only these kind of problems, and
Okay.
try to speak German before coming to Germany. You have to learn at least two levels, A1 and A2.
Okay.
So after you are perfect in all these kind of situations, you are eligible to come here
Okay.
only to face all these kind of situations.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and actually, I forgot to ask you one question. See, some people will do masters in Germany and they will prefer to do job in India, right? So, what is the difference between doing job in Germany or like in India after completing masters in Germany? Is there any such difference?
Actually, coming to my company, it's a multi-international company.
Okay.
My company is also lived in India. It's like Bangalore and Mumbai.
Okay.
So doing a job in Germany is good in my point of view
Okay.
because they'll follow the rules, regulations, and the job tasks. They will finish on time, and the complete procedure is different here
Okay.
and all. Maybe I don't know the procedure in India, because I did not even do a job in India. So I don't know the exact reason, but where you finish your masters is better to do the job also there in the same place.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe in the future case, it's not possible to stay in Germany. Okay, in that situations you can choose in your place,
Okay.
like in India, but better where you are studying in masters, there only you can search the job and you can settle there.
Okay. So,
Big,
and one more question, Harshita. Is it okay? See, suppose let's consider a candidate is there who has pursued their masters in India itself, but they want to come to Germany only to find a job. Will you recommend
okay,
that such thing?
no, because students' priorities are different here. For
Okay.
is completely different to the job seekers here, because
Okay.
after complete while I'm a student, my ticket, I mean a traveling ticket is free.
Okay.
Yeah, it's free for students, but not for the job seekers. You have to pay monthly expenses
Acha,
for the
okay.
ticket price. And also you this is the student dormitories. And
Okay.
while you are getting to the job seeker, they will not provide the student dormitories. You have to search the private room, and there they will give only the 4 square room. They will not
Okay.
provide the bed, kitchen, everything.
Okay.
Just they'll get an empty room.
Okay.
So it's very difficult to buy all those things in the room for the job seekers.
Okay. So,
And also the
yeah.
while studying the students here, you can also learn how to speak German, how to conversation with the German people, what is the culture, what is their tradition, what is their rules and regulations they are following around us. So
Okay.
while coming to the job seekers, after studying in India, after coming to Germany for this job seeking, it's very complicated for them. It's very
Okay.
complicated.
To sustain it
It's
will be very difficult.
yeah. Before
Okay.
coming for the studying is better to compare to the job seeker people.
Okay. And according to you, who they like companies consider which kind of people more? Yeah, rather the people who done their masters in their own country or the people from India.
Actually, we don't have the masters in India, right?
Okay. So means even
We don't.
technical department only.
Yeah,
MBA,
because
MTech.
they will choose the highest degree first.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So MBA,
Yeah.
MTech will be some people might be have pursued their MBA, MTech from NITs or IITs or
Uh,
IIMs, right? In that
yeah,
scenario,
good
I'm
question,
asking.
Deepu. Good question. And the German people will see main the language skills first.
Okay.
You don't have the technical skills also. They will only see the language skills first.
Okay.
I also don't have the skills on quality department.
Okay.
Yeah, but I got an internship in topmost company in Germany. Not
Okay.
in the Germany, not in the world actually.
Okay.
So maybe Germans will most probably most Germans will require uh, German language speakers. And the
Okay.
second thing is the highest degree.
Okay.
They don't know that MTech is for these kind of subjects you have learned. German people
Okay.
will not don't know. So
Actually,
studying in masters in Germany will prefer the second priorities here
acha,
compared
okay.
to studying in India. They will prefer the first priority for masters doing students here.
Acha, okay. Okay.
Yeah, there is a less chances for preferring for Indian people who
Okay.
did their bachelors in India. They'll
Okay.
only
Either
prefer
bachelor's or like MBA, MTech,
like
higher
MBA, MTech,
education.
whatever. They'll choose only the students who they're pursuing in Germany itself.
Okay. Say,
Yeah.
can we say that like it is because of the people who are staying in Germany might have get adapted to that situations and language and all?
Yes, of
It
course. For the Indian people, it's very complicated to communicate with them because
okay.
they don't know English very well.
Yeah. And we don't know German,
And we don't know German very
German very
well.
well.
Yeah, that's the main problem. You cannot work together. with the
Okay.
procedure. Yeah, that's the main reason. So they'll choose the students who had done masters in Germany, or
Okay.
not in the masters, for bachelors also, everything.
Okay.
And also based on in my course, based on my internship, they'll in while I'm searching in the job, they'll see that okay, she done her internship in company. So depends
Okay.
on the company, depends on the position, we have will get the job in the future side.
Okay. So it is
If
mandatory to do the internship over there then.
Yeah, in my course it's mandatory. In other courses, the 4 semesters will have the subjects you have to write the exams. So I think internship will help more practical knowledge. It's a
Yes.
complete 1 year experiences. And
Okay.
also the job seekers also will have gain the more experiences, the internship in the master thesis and everything. So recruiters also will prefer only the internship who was done in their master thesis.
Exactly. They might have known about the working culture in the corporate world, right? They might have known
Exactly,
of
yeah.
functioning of the different
And one more
departments.
thing is here, if I'm doing quality management in the internship, so I have to search a job in that only, quality
Okay.
management.
Oh, you can search in
Yeah.
another domain?
No, because I have 1 year experiences in that. So how can I
Okay.
choose another department there? Because I don't know the experiences. They'll ask my
Okay.
experiences, where you have done these experiences. So I
Okay.
cannot show that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Like it is your personal thing, or you are saying it as a like a one kind of statement?
It's a statement, not a personal thing. If you have
Okay.
confidence in other departments also, you can possible to apply.
Okay.
But
So
the main reason is you will get 1 year experiences in the same domain. You can, it is very good to move the same field in, yeah, in
okay.
the job seeker also, the job side, yeah.
Okay. So today you didn't have like you didn't went to internship.
No, if you are in Germany, it's mandatory for Saturday, Sundays, completely holiday.
Wow,
You
such a
cannot
nice
even touch
people.
my office laptop. I cannot even touch in Saturday, Sunday. Again, I will touch on Monday. That's it.
That's really so nice, right? They are like very particular about the timings and
Very
kind of role.
particular, the very punctual and timings, because I went to so many when I was here in the first time. So I went some of the interviews for for my part times. They
Okay.
will come exact timings they will start my interview. For the
Okay.
part times also, you need to attend the interviews here.
Okay. I
Yeah,
think
they
we people should learn many things from them, right?
Yeah, I think I like, yeah. German people, German culture is very nice, very
Okay.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
and
they might have treated you like it must be warm welcome, right? That's why you are saying all those things because you might have
yeah.
experienced very nice things.
Yeah, some of the Germans will love Indian people
Okay.
because I keep bindi here, so they are looking like me,
Okay.
like
Some
this.
alien has
You
came.
had yeah. So many people, so many Germans ask me like, why you're keeping your bindi here? What is
Okay.
the kind of symbol that for your
Okay.
culture? Yeah, it's a tradition, so I have to keep like this. So I tell, oh, it's
So if you
very
appear in front of
different.
them with all our tradition means traditional look means they will be like they will ask for
Yeah,
everything.
I'll go to my office, my tradition. I'll keep my bindi and everything is. I'll keep
That's
that.
so nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like there is one thing right, trend plus tradition. You are following the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, Harshita. It's very nice talking with
It's
you, and I'm
okay,
actually
Deepu.
very happy seeing you like this. I really telling you, I didn't expected you to become like this, and
Even
today.
I don't even expect this. Yeah.
Yeah, and actually I'm quite impressed by the way you are living and by the way you are managing everything. Okay, so and thank you so much for this inspiration, and really thank you so much for your valuable time, Harshita.
Yeah, it's okay, Deepu. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Take care, Harshita.
Okay then. Yeah.
Yeah,
You too. Bye.
bye, dear. So guys, this is about today's video. Hope you guys will enjoy this and it will provide some information for you whoever are planning to study in the Germany. Thank you guys. Stay tuned. We will meet soon in another video.